Adsetech is a proud partner of Precisely, specializing in data management and automation solutions that help streamline and optimize business processes. Today, we're excited to showcase how our solutions can simplify complex tasks, boost efficiency, and enhance data accuracy within your SAP environment. Let's dive into a live example. In this demo, we'll walk you through the FB50 transaction code for posting general ledger documents. These tasks are often time-consuming and prone to error. Here, we'll demonstrate how an end user with an Automate Studio Runner license can perform mass postings quickly and accurately. If you're interested in developing scripts with features like loops and conditions, we'll cover that in a separate session. To begin, I'll open our transaction data template and locate the mass posting transaction, which is a script that was created using the developer license. The FB50 transaction is very similar to other finance transactions such as the FB50 Park GL document transaction, the FB60 Enter Invoice transaction, and the FB60 Park Invoice transaction. And the steps shown here can also be applied to those transactions. In another video, we will demonstrate how this automation script is developed from a developer's point of view. Let's take a closer look at how it works in action. Automate Studio allows users to post multiple financial documents to SAP in a single run, directly from Excel. To allow the Excel spreadsheet to contain data for multiple line items, we use the loop feature to upload multiple line entries from an Excel file into SAP. We inserted a loop around the rows containing the item data for GL account number, debit or credit, amount, and tax code. Here, we have a standard Excel file pre-filled with test data. The template is structured like this. On the left, we have the header-level fields, such as document type, company code, and posting date. Below, we have the line items, which include general ledger accounts, cost centers, and amounts. These are identified using H&D markers to separate different document sections. Now, since this script has already been developed and published, the runner user simply fills in the Excel template and runs the automation using an Excel add-in. Let's run the script. Let's take as an example the first 38 rows. Next, I'll click the Run button. The system asks me to log in to SAP, but since my credentials are stored, I can log in automatically by selecting the SAP system. Now, let's scroll to the right to see the log column. As the script runs, Automate Studio connects to SAP using my credentials, processes the data, and posts the documents. At the end, it updates the log column with success messages. Once completed, we see a summary message: successful run, 6 documents posted. Quickly posting documents to SAP, like handling 6 documents in just 14 seconds, significantly cuts down on manual data entry and the associated errors. Erroneous data in the general ledger can skew financial reporting, leading to poor decisions, regulatory issues, and decreased stakeholder confidence. Thus, enhancing data accuracy and speed in SAP is crucial for maintaining financial integrity and efficient business operations. Now, let's check if everything was posted correctly. I'll manually log in to SAP and open FB03 to pull up one of the posted documents. Let's take this document here. It has multiple line items. I'll enter the document number and company code. And there it is. By entering the document number and company code, we can see the document appears in SAP. All line items are posted correctly. The data matches our Excel template, confirming a successful upload. One thing to note, SAP shows the line items in reverse order, but everything is there as expected. Also, from an SAP perspective, this document looks like it was created manually because the automation runs under the user's credentials. This means there's no difference in the audit trail. It's as if the user entered the data themselves. This is how Automate Studio works, seamlessly integrating with SAP to automate data entry processes, saving time and reducing errors. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information, feel free to reach out to us.